So I'm on a bit of a drone adventure. I'm going to test out my drone in the high wind. There's I think it's about 25 kilometers per hour. There's no internet here, so I can't check it again, but I can hear it up there in the trees, and the clouds are moving kind of fast, and there's a few little white caps out there on the lake, so I think there's got to be at least 15 knots out there on the lake surface. So I'm in a little bit of a sheltered area with those trees, so let's see how this drone goes in the high wind, because I think I read somewhere it can fly up to 50 kilometre per hour wind, so this is only about half that, I think, so hopefully I'll be alright, or I'll just find somewhere to launch it where I don't think I'm going to get disturbed by too many people, and I'm going to give it a fly and see how it is. So hang on a sec. Alrighty, so I've hiked all the way up here and ready for my flight to test it in the high wind, and I'm getting a little message here. Battery temperature is too low, please preheat above 15 degrees C. Yeah, so that's going to affect how I use the drone when I'm taking videos for my clients a little bit, so I'd have to get a workaround for that. So hang on a sec. Alrighty, so I've been walking along for I think about 15 minutes, and I had the battery in my pocket. System preheating, please wait. I suppose that's a good sign. Only got 12 satellites. Low GPS precision, unable to use intelligent flight. Okay, I'm going to do it. Right. So it says ready to go. I've got 12 satellites. It doesn't say anything about low GPS precision now. So I'll just move that bag a little bit. Well, the wind has died down here, but I can still see up in the trees. It's not as windy as it was just before, so I'm going to take it off and let's see what happens. Well, it's exciting anyway, so let's see what we can do here. So I think I just lost it down. Here we go. Watch out, digger. Whoa. Okay. Alright, so there she is. It's being affected by the wind. Alright, here we go. That was all the problem was, so it's just a matter of learning these things, eh? So, alright, let's take her up and out. So, we're going to go up and out. Oh. Yeah, so I'm a bit of a noob at all this, so let's see what we can do. So I'm going to go up high. If I was handling that wind, no bother. I'm going to fly over this island here. I am kind of tempted to do one of those intelligent flight modes, so I'm a little bit nervous though. There's a seagull near it. So I wonder if I can do one of those little flight modes on this island here. So let's give it a go. I'm going to point the gimbal down a bit. So, oops, I got to turn my precision down on my gimbal a little bit, so it goes a bit slower. So maybe I have to move my antennas up a little bit. Yeah, so it's staying pretty still in the wind there. So I'll do a where is it? A smart track and a lock. So okay, and oh well, it's in Chinese, so I think I go like this, and now hit go. The pitch angle is too high. So what does that mean? So I have to go up higher, do I? I don't know if that means I have to go higher or lower. I'm going to go higher. Okay, I'm doing it. So let's go to the side here. Alright, it's doing it, man. It's recording the island. So it's going a long way. So it's a little bit scary. It is going a long way, so I don't even know how to stop it really. Oh yeah, there we go. So I think I'm gonna just, it's too scary, so I'm just gonna or shall I go the whole way? I think I'm gonna bring it back. I'm gonna stop that. So look, okay. So I've lost where it is in the sky. I can see it, so I think I'll point it back over to me. Alright, I'm going the wrong way, so I can see the little arrow on the map there. So here's where I am. Whoops. Alright, so I can't even see it, man. So it's scary. So I'm going to come back to where I am. Coming back to me, I think, so that I can hear it. Oh, there we go, I can hear it now. So it's scary, man, for me anyway, because I'm a bit of a noob. So let's go out to the lake a little bit again. I'm going full speed. And it's handling that wind no bother. Alright, so I'm just gonna bring it down a bit lower. Not too fast, I think. And I'm gonna start bringing it back in. It's got so much power. And you can probably hear the wind in my microphone. Like so I'm still recording, that's good news. I'll put that gimbal up again. So this way, come. Like it's actually. G'day. Hey, good thanks, hey. You know, it's so windy, like a couple of times it looks like it's almost going to flip right over, but it didn't, so I'm going to see if I can land it. So my landing is very small. So there we go, man. I've done it. So thank God for that. Another second successful flight. Digger, come, here, come. I was going to rescue my dog because there's like a dead possum over here. Digger, come. Hopefully it's probably all over my leash. Digger, bigger. Oh man, look at this. Way down there before, and I'm just on my way back. But I see one of the things I had was with the white balance, or the being overexposed, and so if it's the same thing happens on my phone. See, if I go down like this, then there I am. This is the selfie cam, not the best, and so this is exactly what was happening on the drone. So that's the next thing for me to sort out. So anyway, I'm heading back now. Hang on. Okay, so I made it back all right, and my drone is still in one piece. And so the things I noticed today was the white balance is a problem, so I've got to fix that. So I have to work out how to, maybe a bit of tap on the screen where I want it to adjust to, and then so I'll work that out on the next video, I guess. And then I also noticed my horizon wasn't as straight as it was the other day, so I'll do a compass calibration next time when I'm out, when I'm about to fly, and hopefully that'll fix that, because you can see a couple of places that wasn't as good as the other day when I flew anyway. So if you want to see my next video, then hit subscribe please, and I'll bring out that next video in a day or two, just depending on the weather I suppose. And and maybe even hit like if you could, that'd be great. And I'll see you on the next one. I'm out of here. Go bye.